So basically here I am today reviewing the Casetify cases. So this is the one that I have ordered for my husband, so you can see, and this looks absolutely beautiful. My husband's not home right now, or else I would have put it on to his phone and I would have shown you how it actually looks like. Moving on to the next one. Next is this one. Now they had two options that were given. So that was like if I want boxes for them or I don't want a box for them. So typically it was like I had to pay extra if I wanted a box for it. So I did not go on with that option. And you can have a look. So this one is for my 15 Pro Max. You can see. I really like the quality, and I will right now directly go and put it onto my phone and show you guys. So right now the cover that I'm using is this one. I've been using this pop socket, which I'm going to take out now. And I have been using this insert thing because whenever I used to go out, I used to put my lanyard over here so I can hang it over my neck. So this is the case that I was presently using, and I really love this case. It gives protection at the same time. It gives a classic look. So now I will go ahead and put on my new case onto my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So here I go. It does sit very tight, but I don't know why, but it's getting my screen protector slightly up due to the case, but it's set really nice and tight. You can have a look. So this is how it looks overall. It does protect the lens over here, you can see, but the front I'm not pretty much sure. It has the depth but not how it exactly should, so I'm not sure. But the case looks good to me. The case is good. Moving on to next. I ordered these two because I really like them, and I have seen a lot of YouTube videos that they are really good and convenient, so I thought I really should get one. So this is it. Let me quickly open it. I'm not quite sure how to get it out. Okay, so here you go. I love the packaging, the way it has been packed, so you can see. I really like the packaging of it. And I will quickly put this back and get back to the video to show you guys. Just want to put it this way. So yes, here it is, and it has this peel off. And you can see, look at it. I'm going to be using something like this for the first time. And this is how it looks overall. So let me quickly go and put it on my case. So they are both the same. Yeah. And it's quite nice. So if I want to keep it like this, I can. I think I placed it wrong. Yeah. So I can maybe, yeah, I can use it like a stand like this. So it stands like this. Alright, so next move on to the next one. So I like this actually. It's pretty nice, and like it has this opening over here, so I think, I'm not sure, you can hold it like this and you can use your phone, and it looks pretty nice to me. It only thing like it goes around like this when you try to move it, but it won't fall out, so that is good. Alright, we are going to move on to the next one, that is this one, and let's quickly open this up as well. Okay, that's nice, because this was like directly you had to just pull it out, and this, here you go. Oh yeah, so when you pull it up like this, it will stand like that. Oh, calm down. So let's try this one onto my phone. So I'm just going to take out this one, and I will put this one. So here you have it. And these accessories really look so pretty and so nice, and I'm really happy I got one of this and one of that. And it has a logo over here. It says Casetify over here and here, and you can see this also rotates, so you can rotate it this way, or you can rotate it the other way around straight. And when you pull it like this, you can use it as a stand, this way or this way, however you want. So here you go. I think I'm going to use this one because they both are the same. So I'm going to use this one for my cover like this. And I really cannot do without a pop socket to use my phone, or else like if I keep it over here like this without the pop socket, like my finger really gets like, you know, it like gets pushed inside, and I really don't like that feel. So I have made it a point to use pop socket for my phones, so I do not have to put the phone pressure on my index finger. So yes, now we are going to move on to the next one, and that one is this cover that I ordered, and this one is for my iPad. So yeah, this is for my iPad, and you can see it looks so pretty. And this is the Sony Angel one, this design, and this one is for my iPad Air 4th generation. So I'm just going to take out the peel off that is always there for these type of cases. So here it is, and these are the sides. This is a nice thing that they have given, so we can put a pen over here. Presently I was using this case. Let me just take it out. So yes, this is my iPad. You can see last time, if you had seen my video, you will know that I have put silver skin over here, otherwise the color of my iPad is blue. So now let's try it on our new cover. So wow, this one really looks nice, friends. This really looks nice, and this one typically gives that protection. I don't know why they have done this kind of lens for the iPad Air 4th generation. I think it's because the cases fit for both iPad Air 4th and 5th generation, but to me this looks a little bit odd, looks like something's missing. So maybe I'll have to stick another artificial lens over here and make it feel like it has another lens. I know you get artificial lens, so maybe I'm going to try and order one and put here one, so the back side of my case doesn't look too weird. So here you have it. So this is a case, and you can see it has the top part like over here, it's come a little up, so it's going to protect your screen, and I really like this. And the pen, if I go to tell you, they have left space over here. So yes, so here it is, and it does charge my Apple Pencil. I'm going to show it you again. So that's really nice, because all the cases that I have been using, like they were like quite weak, because whenever I used to connect my pencil here, they used to like, you know, either drop it off, or they used to not like charge when I used to put. So I always had to like remove the cover whenever I use the pencil, and then I had to like charge it. But this is really nice. I like it the way it is. It's really cute and pretty. Yes, so that's all for today, my friends. I really hope you all enjoyed watching the unboxing of all the cases that I ordered. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please do leave a thumbs up and comment below and let me know. Until then, I'm going to meet you guys next time. Bye.